I want to show you how to match two lists in Excel. It will help you a lot if you sometimes need to compare or match two lists in Excel. Suppose I have two lists here, and I want to know if these two are exactly the same. How we can do that? We have two ways. First, we have one function equals, then we have exact. Open the bracket. Inside the bracket, first select this one, and then comma, and then select the second one, and then close the bracket, enter. It will show you true because these two are same. And if you want to find out for all the names over there, just drag from this corner till the end, till the last. It will show you true if it's true. If it's false, it means they are not matching. Suppose here we have false. See here what will happen. Here we have Parwana, here we have Homa. Yeah, they don't match. And also here we have false, we have Shakila, here we have Ali. So this is the mistake. And here also false. Akbar, here we have Shams. And this is one way to match the list in Excel. And but you should remember, this one is case sensitive. Suppose if there is a small Ali with a small, like here we have like this, and if we have like Ali like this, it will not show you because it's case sensitive. Okay. And then the other one I want to show you, that's not case sensitive. That's much better than this one. So for that, you can select your list, and then the home tab at the corner of right corner here, you can get find and select. Open that, you will go to a special option here. Click on that, and inside this find out row differences. Click row differences, and then okay. It will just highlight for you those false or mistake names there. See, you can see. If it's not clear, if you can give some other color like this. Now it's clear. Yeah, there are three mistakes and they don't match because Akbar, Shams, and Shakila, Ali, and Parwana, and Huma. Okay, like this you can compare your list and Excel.